Wedding photo editing is one of the most important and demanding types of photography editing because couples expect emotional, cinematic, and professional-looking images that preserve one of the biggest moments of their lives. Adobe Lightroom is one of the best tools for wedding photography workflows because it allows photographers to organize, batch edit, color grade, retouch, and export large numbers of photos efficiently. And honestly, consistency is one of the biggest keys to professional wedding editing. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to edit wedding photos in Lightroom step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Lightroom or Lightroom Classic and import all the wedding photos into your catalog. Separate photos into collections like ceremony, portraits, reception, family shots, and candid moments. Use flags, ratings, or color labels to quickly identify the strongest images from the wedding shoot. Wedding photos are often shot in different lighting conditions, so start by balancing exposure and white balance. Wedding edits usually look best with soft highlights, balanced contrast, and natural romantic color tones. The tone curve helps create smoother contrast and elegant cinematic depth. Natural skin tones are extremely important in wedding photography, so avoid oversaturated or unnatural colors. AI masking tools can brighten faces, darken backgrounds, improve skies, and create more cinematic lighting. Use healing and removal tools to clean up distractions, blemishes, or unwanted objects in the background. And that's your full guide on how to edit wedding photos in Lightroom in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer understanding of how to create romantic, cinematic, and professional wedding edits using Adobe Lightroom.